Hey there ladies. Welcome to today's video where we're gonna talk about something that we all struggle with at some point in our lives, weight loss. If you're looking for tips and strategies to help you reach your weight loss goals, then you're in the right place. And hey, if you're enjoying this content, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this one. Okay, first things first, let's talk about food. Eating a balanced diet with whole grains, lean proteins, and lots of fruits and veggies is key. And, let's be real, try to avoid the junk food and sugary drinks as much as possible. Your body will thank you for it. Now let's talk about exercise. Find a physical activity that you enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine. It's not just about losing weight, it's also about keeping your body healthy and reducing your risk of all kinds of diseases. Plus, it can be a great stress reliever and mood booster. Last but not least, let's talk about our mindset and self-care. Try to be kind to yourself and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. And don't forget to take care of yourself outside of your weight loss journey too. Get enough sleep, take time to do things you enjoy, and find ways to manage stress. Alright, there you have it. Some tips and strategies for weight loss that are easy to incorporate into your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching.